Hi, this is Sumit. I'm chairman of Indian Institute of E-commerce, global trader, exporter, and also an e-commerce entrepreneur. I will be here as a business coach for you. I'll be guiding you exact strategies that will be helpful in exporting of Indian products to the global market using an e-commerce portal. That also in bulk quantity. With my plug and play e-commerce business opportunity, you can make great amount of profits. Be with me till end of this video. Let me share my screen and show you exact process that you can follow in order to build this business successfully. So here I am in Amazon.com, and you can see kitchenware products are listed here. A lot of these products have got great sales. For example, this has got about 10,000 sales at $19.99, about $20, and 10,000 sales. That means about $2 lakh worth of sales in a month itself. So being in India, if we have to generate this much revenue, that's approximately 1.6 crore rupees in a month. So do you want to make such amount of revenue where in a month you can generate 1.6 crores just from a single kind of, inventory? Now see this one, 8,000 sales at $21.99, about $22, 8,000 sales a month. That means another $2 lakh approximately. 7,000 sales per month, 6,000 sales per month, 3,000 sales per month. Now the question is, how do we get such kind of sales? So for this, I'll be teaching you the exact process that I will be using in my e-commerce store, and you can also copy paste that same model. Same if you search about cookware, you can see like these are so many products which are listed in Etsy.com. And let's see Lazada Singapore.com website. Here also you can see so many sales are there, 7,400, 4,700, all that. This is Rakuten, this is Japan's website. And here also you can see these cookwares are, kitchenwares are listed in this. So the whole idea of me to show you all this thing is that I am providing you with a plug and play ready-made e-commerce export business opportunity. That is my forte. I did my master's in international trade. I worked with Alibaba Group China. I worked with Amazon India. I worked with Tata Group, and I have already onboarded about 100,000 sellers and suppliers into e-commerce. And with my experience and expertise, plus also I have been running my own e-commerce business where I'm doing my own sales of products. These are my last 30 days of sales. These are my lifetime of sales in my own e-commerce store. Very recently, I got started with this, and I'm focusing more into plug and play business nowadays so that I can help you guys with starting your own business. So this business is about the cookware and cooking utensils that you can get started with me. And here I'm going to give you the entire training and support so that you can build this business easily and start selling these products online. The best part is these products already have demand. Some are branded, some are unbranded, but in any case, these products will always be sold because people need them, because these are part of FMCG products. Now, these products we can list into an e-commerce store, and you can make a great success out of this because these products have got demand, as you saw already in Amazon. So I'll be helping you with building your own e-commerce store, your own brand, and you will be able to sell these things. You don't have to buy any of these products because the manufacturer already has the product. We have to just connect with the manufacturer, list those products into the e-commerce store, and start selling them. So from me, you are going to get a business opportunity that you can start immediately. And even if you're a working professional or an entrepreneur, you can get started with a business that you can do for lifetime. And I think cooking utensils and cookware is something which is a global product, and you can make great profits. I'll show you one example in Etsy. If I simply search about chakla belan, which is a known word in India, so this is nothing but the roti maker, right? The normal this thing. But how much is selling that at? 11,000 rupees and 110 reviews, 1,300 reviews, and about 3,400 rupees. Just think about these products sold at this price. I feel it is extremely high for someone to pay in India, but you can actually sell these products in the international market. Even this thing, this masala box, dosa pan, do you really think this will be this amount or this amount? But yes, in the international market, this is how you actually earn money, by sales. So be with me in this program so that you can build a highly successful e-commerce business and you can learn how to sell these products online. I'll be providing you with the e-commerce store builder and e-commerce operations support and digital marketing support. So for you to give you complete support, I have provided this complete all-in-one program, which we call a certified e-commerce professional. In this, you will be mastering the art of digital marketing and sales. I have a bundle of 17 certifications as part of single program so that you can go through this content, you can learn everything about e-commerce, and then you will have access of certifications which are government approved and 17 certificates bundled together with practical live ongoing training and support for you so that you can learn and build your e-commerce business from scratch. So with this program, you get access of lifetime updates, access and support. with our team members guiding you regularly. So whether you're a student or a working professional or a business owner, this program will transform your life completely with the skills of e-commerce and digital marketing. You will have the skills that can make you a successful entrepreneur, leader, and Indian e-commerce is a well-respected organization. It is affiliated with AICT, TIS, EDII, Alibaba, Amazon, WTO, and many more. And I have been passionate and actively working with entrepreneurs across the country. Many of my entrepreneurs are successful e-commerce entrepreneurs, exporters, and startup founders. So with the same strategies that I have been running my e-commerce business here, same way when you can list your products and start selling them. I'll be guiding you on how you can have your own domain name, how you can add your own staff members, and how you can directly collect payment from the customers, ship the products directly to the customer, and start making profits. So the program also comes with recorded contents, ebooks, white papers, case studies, infographics, and many more formats of content along with software tools. So I want you to start your journey with this plug and play e-commerce export startup with IIC, and not just about the cooking utensils or cookwares, but I have got programs in very wide array of niches. For example, apparel and fashion, you can get started in businesses like this. You can start selling products which are like cosmetic products or food and beverages products, furnitures online, fashion products, arts and craft, handicrafts, gems and jewelry. So you can sell anything and everything because I'm going to provide you this e-commerce store builder, and I'm also going to provide you the buyers database, suppliers database, and also the ongoing mentorship and support so that you can build a highly successful e-commerce business. Everything together in the market, people charge lakhs of rupees and still people don't get successful because they don't have mentors. They don't have the right person who has the interest to guide. But here you are going to get all these 17 certifications bundle. You are also going to get access of the modules plus one-on-one support. Everything is part of the program. So what you're going to get from us is the most practical approach of teaching digital marketing and e-commerce business with lifetime access, update, and support. And if you are looking for something which is more easy, then I would say go for the plug and play e-commerce store builder because this is ready-made. Here you will get complimentary data of buyers and suppliers, and the costings we have kept very less so that you can just get started. It's an investment in your future, not an expenditure. And if you have to pay this in EMI, we also provide you credit card based EMI option. Simply select the bank and you will find that you can go up to 24 months EMI. And less than 5,000 rupees per month EMI, you can get started with a business like this. So to summarize, I'm telling you to start with a e-commerce business of products like kitchenware that we can source from manufacturers in India, with the plug and play e-commerce export opportunity, where the products can be listed into the e-commerce store directly with your own branded .com website. And also you can sell through marketplaces such as Amazon and start generating profits. And to make it profitable, I'm also giving you website builder so that you can directly make the website as you want to design it by naming the store, adding the products, and start selling. For this, I'm also giving you the training on e-commerce operations management and digital marketing. So this is the whole ecosystem that I'm giving you. So this is going to be a plug and play business opportunity which you can start. Even if you're a working professional, you can invest a couple of hours in a week and get started with generating money. Once you're starting making good money, then how much you're generating in your job, then I recommend that you can leave your job and full focus on your business. So don't worry about the product, from where you will get, how will you do the digital marketing, that means how will you do sales, that I will be teaching you. Everything is non-technical. Store you will be able to build very easily. Within a month, you'll be able to build your e-commerce business and you can start doing sales also. Just follow the process that I'm guiding you. Thank you.